Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, I'm Jessica. Look at my nails. I'm getting ready for spooky season. They are, what is this? Nightmare Before Christmas. Hello. Anyways, excited about my nails, but I am also excited about this box that we're going to open up from Your Creative Studio. It is a monthly subscription box kind of geared towards junk journals, and I will have the link below. This is not a sponsored video. She just gifts these to me and I get to show them to you. So let's open up. I haven't even peeked inside. Ooh, a pink flamingo. So if you are new to my channel or new to these unboxings, usually the monthly business card has a picture of whatever theme you can expect to be in the box. Super cute. I have not had anything like that. I'm excited to see what's in here. Today is actually my daughter's 5th birthday party, and the only reason I'm filming right now is because I've finished setting everything up and no one's going to be here for another like 20 minutes, and I have all kinds of things that I gotta do on my to-do list, so I figured I'd knock this one right off the list. So I'm just gonna reach in and we'll see what we have. Sorry for the glare. So this is a cute little pack of tickets, like floral, and oh, on the back you can see. I love embellishing little snippets, and these tickets would be a great base for that. Really pretty florals and kind of some general. We have like a vintage. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Little butterflies, mostly light colors, some wildflowers. Yeah, these will be really fun to add in to my little stash of tickets, and there is a lot there, so I'm gonna put those to the side. I have you kind of zoomed in because I wanted you to see everything up close, but okay, so next, ooh, I'm guessing these are labels. Let's open them up as well. Yep, on the back, you can kind of see, without the glare, there is, oh my gosh, labels. I'm not sure if they're stickers. So let's see. And if you know me, you know I love labels. I don't know. I like using them on my journal layouts. I like using them on basically any kind of journal decoration that I make. I love having labels. I just feel like they're so functional and cute. Okay, and I think, let's see here. I don't think there's stickers, but cute. Just kind of like a vintage theme, like there's a little lady with a hat. So I'm always happy to have more labels added to my stash. I really do go through them quite quick. Okay, these are cute. These look like real stamps. So these are some really pretty floral stamp embellishments. I haven't seen, oh, I was gonna say I haven't seen any pink flamingo yet. But I do like that most of the items usually in these boxes are pretty like kind of generic theme. You could use them for all kinds of different themes. So I think these are, okay, there's a variety of roses and flowers on these stamps. But these look really realistic. These are really, really cute. And they're perforated so you can just pull them apart. Yeah, super excited to use these. Set you over here. So here we go. We have the little set of the cutest little flamingo stickers. I don't remember what month box this is that I'm receiving, but I feel like it must have been more of a summer month, just because I feel like this theme is kind of geared towards that. And these boxes do run that way. They have like months. Like you can go on the website and probably still get like the August box, or that, I'm just using that as an example. So it's kind of nice. So if you like this exact box, there's a chance that it's still available. This says plant specimens. Let's see. Okay, so this is just like a little notepad of different kind of collage papers, anything you want to use these papers as. And they're kind of like botanical theme, like the box said. Okay. Oh, there's still a lot in here. So we have these clear stickers and it's a bird on there. I don't use these type of stickers so much, but you do always get a pack of stickers that basically go along with the theme that are black and white like this. I don't know, for a while I was using them on my embellishments and I think I need to do that again. Okay, so let's see. We have a washi tape. Okay, this is kind of, ooh, this is actually pretty. It might be hard to see, but it's not focusing, first of all. It's kind of like a light brown color with a little bit of pinkish in there, and I'm not sure if you can see that design. It kind of has like leaves, and this, I was just saying in another video, this is the softest and my most favorite washi tape ever. And I don't know that it's a certain brand. I believe she gets it made for all of these boxes, and I really, really love all of the washi tapes that I have got from these boxes. Okay, so it looks like we have a bunch of die cuts, and this color is actually gorgeous. It's a very light, like teal and pink color. And so these are all kind of, it reminds me of a summer theme, like a Hawaii theme, vacation theme. Really, really cute. I'm kind of like past all my summer crafting, but I will be happy to have these in my stash. And these are really nice die cuts, really nicely made quality. Okay, we usually get a couple stamps, and so here we go. You can see we have a pink flamingo, and then, is that a toucan? Is that, I think so. Okay, let's see. So, okay, we have two in here. So we have this little toucan and a little pineapple, and there is a glare, so I hope, there you go, I think you can see that. Okay. Yeah, my second favorite thing that I get in these boxes is the stamps, because it has helped me get a nice stash of stamps in my collection. So here we have the pink flamingo, and you get a really pretty monstera leaf, or I think that's what it is. I'm super into plants, so I'm really excited to have that actually. Okay, ooh, what's this? This looks fun. It says Vintage Years Stickers Flowers. Well, let's open her up. And I'm hoping to have a part 2 video where I will use these items in a layout. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to do it right now in this video, but I am going to have that out at some point. So these are like kind of like washi strips, stickers, I guess you would say. And again, kind of like floral themed. I do feel that some of the boxes are more themed than others. Like, I prefer this kind of thing where it's more of a general theme. I can use it in all of my journals rather than like if it was all pink flamingo kind of themed stuff. It's just too specific and I don't get as much use, so I do like that. So you get some collage papers. These are really fun to use. Ooh, they're like tissue-y paper, super thin, and they have little tulips on them. And it looks like we have another big pack of papers, and these are that pink flamingo theme. You get 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. So it is a nice variety of different papers, and again, the coloring in this is absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, that's really pretty. Wow, these vellum papers are so pretty. Yeah, so this was a really fun box. Let me know if you guys received it. Did you make any projects out of it? Would love to see. And I can't wait to do a fun little creative layout with these things, so that hopefully will be out pretty soon. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next. Bye, guys.